Hey everybody, you can use the chapter markers to jump ahead, but I wanted to tell you that I recorded the entire drive from start to finish, but while editing I realized that instead I'm going to only show you some of the character interactions. Most of them are from the driver's side because that was the better camera, but I hope that if you can get to Central Florida or you live in Central Florida and you love Halloween, that you'll buy a ticket and check out the drive-boo trick-or-treat yourself, or the die-in, or both. And I still have to try the airboat, haunted airboat, but moving away from the point, I am going to show you some of our interactions and leave out some. And these characters are very interactive and have good improv, so every experience is going to be different for every drive-boo. Just want to let you know that you're not going to see everything, so if you think it's a little bit shorter than it is, this is only a sample. So let's get down to Boggy Creek Airboat Adventures and check it out.
Hello!
Hello! Hello, sir!
Happy Halloween! How many cadets we got in the vehicle today? I see two.
Two.
Only two? Alright, well...
Yeah. We also have an invisible man, but...
Alright, well I'll make sure you get enough for them too.
He's got so many allergies to certain candies, it's not even worth it.
No, I understand. Well, I'll let your hands make a cup.
Alright.
Alright, this is not just for you. This is for you and the pilot to share, alright?
Alright.
Now make sure you give him some, because he's driving. You don't want to get left here. It's going to get pretty spooky here later.
Yeah. Well, actually, if you say it that way, he might want to stay.
Oh, that's true too. Well, we'll always put him to good use, if you know what I mean.
Oh, yes.
Happy Halloween and have
Happy
a
Halloween.
safe flight.
You too.
I have to tell you, I almost snuck a few bites before you got here, but I am just stuffed with candy, so I will let you guys enjoy it for me.
Well, you know, it's good to test it just in case.
Yeah, of course. And you know, way back when, you would have had to hit me with this stick to get candy from me. But let me tell you, we in the piñata community are very opposed to violence now. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it to you.
All right.
That works for me. Haven't seen any rabbits, have you?
Any who?
Any rabbits?
Rabbits? I've not seen any rabbits.
Oh, okay.
All right, make a cup with your hands. Perfect. There you go. Now remember, you guys are allowed to eat as much candy as you want because it is what's on the inside that counts.
Absolutely.
Y'all have a great night and a happy Halloween.
Thanks.
We'll
happy
see you
Halloween
around.
to you as well.
Don't you look scaretastic this evening?
Well, thank you.
I hope I don't scare you off. I am out standing in the field of trick-or-treating,
Yeah.
so.
Well,
There's two of you tonight?
oh, yeah. Just want to say, hey.
It's in my jeans, so.
Yeah. Probably everywhere else, too.
All right, and there's those for you.
All right.
Oh, no.
Well, got most of it.
Sometimes my brains work, sometimes they don't. It all depends on the day and time.
All right.
Woo, all right.
Well, as long as you have heart.
That is true. A heart, I think, is more important than a brain.
Yes.
Well, happy Halloween.
Happy
and
Halloween
see
to
you
you as
later.
well. Looks like you're getting ready to start a bonfire tonight.
Just about, yeah.
Making some s'mores, perhaps?
Oh, those sound wonderful.
You might
I'll
want
just have to stay clear of the fire.
Yeah, you might want to start someone else started, yeah.
That might not be such a good idea for me.
Yeah. Although it might be a terrifying addition to the trail tonight.
It would. It'd be a very great scare.
Yes.
Hey Vassy, landlubbers, how are we doing today?
We're doing fine.
You're doing fine? Alrighty, well how many do we have in this crew, in this fine vessel here?
Now.
Oh, are you the captain? Because I see your insignia on your finger.
That's the captain.
That's the captain.
I'm the
I don't
first
know,
mate.
he looks a little dead
He
to
was-
be a captain. Is this a ghost ship?
Yes, it is.
Yes,
he was
it
a
is.
captain, and I jumped in and said, "Look at me. I'm the captain now."
Oh, okay, I can understand. Usually the captains have really big hats and stuff, but
Yeah,
I mean,
well,
that's
he
why
didn't
I'm
have
not
one,
a
so I
captain
couldn't,
yet.
I couldn't steal it from him.
Well, sometimes there's some rough waters out there, okay? So be
Oh, yes.
careful. Oh, is that the bucket? The little satchel for you? Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, ready?
The candy's about to walk the plank.
I know this is the only good time to walk the plank is to get some candy.
Yes.
Alrighty, ready? And also gotta watch out for those cannons. Sometimes they shoot the water.
Over.
Alrighty. Well, are you ready for some more candy?
We are.
Alright, well head on down that way and happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween.
What kind of experiments are you working on today?
You're my test subject today, right?
Yes.
I got your application in the mail and everything.
Great.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and hook my cables right up to your car, okay?
Cool.
Now it's gonna feel like a little bee sting. Are you okay with that?
Sure.
Yeah? Hold on a
I
second.
said I wanted to be shocked today, so.
Are you trick-or-treaters?
Yes, we are.
Okay, yeah.
Man, I always get them confused. Is there just two trick-or-treaters in the car today?
Yes.
All right.
I mean, we can do both.
Now, in order to get my candy, you have to answer a joke, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Put those thinking caps on. How does a scientist freshen their breath?
You know?
With, I don't know, give us a clue.
Instruments?
With an experiment. That's
Oh.
very
Oh, that's-
good. You're so smart. You
Thank
should
you.
be a scientist when you get older.
Are
you ready?
But unfortunately, I think I'm already dead.
Oh.
Or undead, at least.
Well, sometime I would like to experiment on you if that's okay.
Okay, we'll
Okay,
come back.
perfect. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You're gonna head down to see my friend the cowboy, okay?
Will that
Okay.
include large amounts of electricity?
Yes.
Okay. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Whoa, how we doing this evening?
We're doing fine.
But I do want to tell you something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wildest thing just happened to me, and y'all need to hear. My horse talked to me. Isn't that
Again?
crazy?
Wow.
Yeah.
Usually it's only my dog that talks to me. My horse doesn't.
Yeah, my horse did, but science friend back there asked if she could do some willy-nilly experiment on him. Want to know what he said?
What is it?
Nay. Yeah, I don't think we could trust her quite yet with all that sciencey stuff. But she did give out treats, so maybe we can. Yeah, she likes to give my horse all those carrots. It's real nice.
Yeah.
Want to hear another joke?
Okay.
Okay.
What did the cowboy say to the pencil?
Hmm.
Draw.
Ah,
Ah. Y'all ready for some treats?
We are.
Oh, very nice. Let me get some for you. First one's coming over to the passenger side.
all
Go
right.
ahead, get those hands up. Bang, very nice.
All right.
Second one to you, Mr. Driver. Here we go. Let's see if I could get it this time. And bullseye. Have yourselves a mighty fine evening, folks. Try and stay dry
All
out
right.
there.
Happy Halloween, you hear?
Happy Halloween.
All right, this time I'm trying some food with Brian. And are those mine?
These are nachos.
Oh, they're not mine?
They're nachos.
Oh, okay. And today I'm eating napkins. They're high in fiber. Just kidding. I'm having the pulled pork with ketchup. So, pulled pork is pretty good.
Or the nachos are good too. It's classic nachos, tortilla chips with the melted cheese. Classic all the way, so like, you know, a good, nice little snack.
All right. So,
This was really cool. So there is a scary trail that we're not doing tonight. However, the
once
day,
again, media preview right there.
the daytime trail was a lot of fun. I liked the theming of it. I liked how in character everybody was, and like they all had their own like little lore. Like the milkman hadn't worked in decades because milk hasn't been delivered in decades. So you know it was all perfect, and like everybody could like ad lib and you know do things on the fly with you know interaction. I suspect a lot of them have theme park experience or performing experience just from how comfortable they seem to, you know, like just get into their character and like, I'm a pirate. Where are you guys sailing?
So, and it was half price for us because it's by the car, not by the person.
Yeah.
Now, if you have 4 people in the car, that's 1/4 of the price. That's a bargain.
I'm not sure if that cowboy, like if that was his real accent or if he just could do a southern accent, but
I don't know, but I know we're gonna get soaked on the way back to the car.
yeah. But no, this is a lot of fun. It's
That's why we're like, we're gonna do the trail now and we'll go do the indoor stuff later.
yeah.
So it's gonna be a little muddy tonight. Let's look at the daytime trick-or-treat drive boo from the Boggy Creek airboat adventures, and of course Scream and Stream. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.